I hear nothing.
All right, we got us a new project going on. This is the night shift project.
Night shift?
Night shift. It's like 6:30, 7 o'clock at night.
Yeah, 7.
7 o'clock at night. We worked on the tow truck all day. Now we're working on Grandma Lolly's car. So this is gonna be pretty easy, just some struts. We'll walk you through it. All right, so like I was saying, this is a pretty easy process. Plus, we've had these struts just kicking around the shop, taking up space for a week now. And we needed them out of our way and on Grandma's car. So, Ben's gonna lift us up. We'll pull some tires off, jerk some struts off this thing, and hopefully within an hour, have this thing whipped. Ben put brakes on this not too long ago,
Yep.
right?
Put brakes on it.
Yeah.
On the rear.
So when I was in Florida, Ben pulled it in and he put brakes on it, and you'll see that now.
Those brakes sound awful.
Man,
Sounds a little squeaky.
whose car is this? This thing's wore out. I guess it's time to see if the brakes are gone. I guess we better take a look. Let's get a jack and check these brakes out. I hear nothing.
There it is.
Alright. Let's see what we got in here. Oh yeah, they're gone. Alright, I'll get a sock and pull that off and then we'll show you what it is.
Gentle.
I'll let him deal with that.
The brake's gone?
Yep.
It's a good thing my favorite son
Right.
will fix my car for me.
Oh,
how
wow.
On camera.
Yeah, see this little squealer right here? That's what was hitting the rotor. So the thickness is really thin. Time for new ones. See, look at the difference in the pad thickness.
Oh, wow.
Exactly.
It was time.
Time for brakes.
I don't use the brakes much.
We've noticed.
Honk the horn and people get out of your way.
Hey, we don't use brakes much. Who does that remind you of?
Paul didn't use any brakes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Just like you.
I didn't teach Paul to drive though.
Well, it came from somewhere.
Okay. DNA. DNA.
I'm sure it was his father.
Oh man! Thrown under the bus.
Yeah.
All right, we'll just stick these pads on and get them all nice and clean. They're good. It was just starting to squeak. I heard it last week before.
What's the white stuff?
That's oxidization. That's what happens when aluminum and steel touch.
Oh yeah, I can see
Comes
that.
off the wheel.
So is it ruining my rim?
No, we'll put some anti-seize on it. We'll get it done and we'll show you in a minute. We got some new pads put on it. There's new, I don't know what they call them, forgot. 10 things?
Or switches or something?
Switches. Oh,
I thought
that's
they were
even better.
switches.
So we're gonna have parts with Natty. I'm pushing the caliper back in. Got to make room for the new brake pads. So usually just go a little slow. Sometimes you can crack a bleeder open and do that, but you got to be really careful not to get air in it. You can do it both ways. I do it this way, especially if the fluid's pretty good in the master cylinder. You're not pushing junk too much in there. I did say too much. All right, put the pins back in it, tighten it down, brakes. I'll put anti-seize on the outside so I get it everywhere, and then we'll be done. How about a rag?
Oh, don't get that. Ah!
All right, take that pin off.
No pressure. she won't stop. It's your fault.
I have to tap it a little.
Yeah, mine.
How's it
Hold me.
working?
There you go.
I'll help you out.
I need it.
All right, pull the pins.
There we go. Okay. Then I forgot what to do from here.
Already?
Yeah. It's been a little bit.
What is this, the second step?
Okay. You don't even know how to do brakes, so back off, man.
Isn't that being rough on you?
Yeah.
Good job, I guess. You got this.
Yeah.
You just pull them off. And you'll have to pry these out. Like that. Make sure they're seated good. It's good. Pop the top one off. Nice. Right direction, yep. Snap it in. Perfect.
Oh, you're so smart, Dad.
There you go. Now flip that one on.
I'm gonna need a lot more learning before I'm as good as my dad.
You got this. I believe in you. Just don't kill Grandma.
Okay. How's it looking?
It's looking better. Oh, that's the other side.
What did you put on those?
Grease.
Just grease. Makes them slide easy.
I'm gonna need that. Dad.
Alright. How would you put it in? So look at the little pins on them. You have to slide it in so it goes.
Oh, okay.
And that slides like that.
Oh, alright.
Yep. Oh, you're getting the angle. You're getting one. And sometimes it's not all about force. Easy. It should just slide right in.
There we go.
Just like that.
Then the
Now for the fun one. You got it.
You say it's the fun one.
It is the fun one.
It's not the fun one. He's full of it.
If you need my help, let me know.
That might come sooner than later.
We'll get back to you when he gets it together. Well, did you get it?
Yeah, I got him in. Now I'm just putting it back together again.
Looks good.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, now turn the wheel and see if it
Hits anywhere?
turns. And oh, that sounds good.
Yep.
Okay.
Way to go, oh.
Let's throw the brake stuff away, and then we'll step on the brake pad and make sure the brake pedal, make sure nothing hits and it centers. Okay. Did it pump up? Did you press on it? Let off? Press on it? Let
Yeah,
off?
I pumped up.
Okay. All right. Good.
Just feel a lot better.
Good. Okay. Brakes are done. We'll see what else we can do to this.
Off he goes. We'll see when he gets back what it is, if the brakes are good and if Ogre did a good job or not. I almost choked on a mamba. Okay.
Well, you got to show your face if you're almost choking.
No, I was not going to.
That's good content right there.
It's all up to you.
Anyway, okay, we got this car all finished up. Brakes are all good now, but she said there was a clunk in the front or something, but it's the suspension. See how it keeps bouncing? Strut's worn out, so later date, we'll get some struts on it, fix all that problem, but today, it's out of here. All right, here we got another truck. We got a exhaust rattle. We're gonna see if we can take care of this problem real quick. All right, we got it all up, and this is the problem right here. Pipe's loose. So we're just we're gonna weld that up and get him on the road. Here we go. We're gonna take and grind this down. There's some weld on it and lots of rust. How's our tailpipe looking out there? Looks about level. Or up a little. Good? Alright, we leveled the tailpipe out. Now we're gonna weld her up. We're getting her. Muffler's coming apart. Alright, we got that all welded back up, but you hear that noise? There's runners in these mufflers and they come loose. The spot welds come loose, so we'll probably need a muffler after a little bit. So partial fix. So we'll see what happens. Alright, and there it is. We got it finished up except for the mufflers, so he says it's better than it was.
It's way better than it was.
Not all the way, so we'll see what we can do from there. Okay.
Our Ben got the brakes all done. We're gonna pull it in and get the struts put on this old car and get Grandma Lolly back on the roads. Here we go. All right, I know you guys are gonna find this hard to believe, but we've got one strut that's wrong. This strut should have a mount coming off the back of it right there, like this, right here. So, Grandma's getting 3 struts tonight and the 4th one later because we can't get it right now. We've gone around and degreed all of these, wrote the degree right here on it so that we can put this strut back and the alignment will be pretty dang close.
Yeah.
That way she can run it over and get it aligned and it's gonna be pretty spot on anyways. So we'll change the 3 we can change and then
That's all we can do.
that's all we got. All right, Ben is about to go back together with the first one. This one you can see is junk, fluid leaking out of it. Grandma's gonna be riding in style. Should be,
Better be.
yeah, should be cruising.
Hey, if she brings us lunch like she always has been.
Exactly.
We love you.
Yeah, this paid for her strut job today was lunch. So I'm not sure if everyone knows, but right here is the adjustment, your caster camber adjustment.
And you can see, it's not a lot,
But,
but it is enough.
Yep.
The
It
rears
changes.
are actually a lot more.
Yeah.
And you'll see one side has an adjuster bolt in it. So we'll let you see that.
Basically, we got to put those 3 little nuts on the top, button this side up, and it's done. 1, 2. This is multitasking. Hunter, he's long since gone home chasing women, or whatever Hunter does after he's gone from here. I'm not sure, but so we're filming, working, all of the above.
Hey, that means you get double pay.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
That's right, Michelle. Double pay. All right, so we got the degree on here. It says 89.7, and we rode on this brake rotor 90.
90.
So we're there.
We're there.
Close enough to get it to an alignment rack, so we'll tighten it down and call it good. 1 side down, 3 more to go, 2 more to go because we don't have a strut. So we'll get them done. All right, Ben is buttoning up the last tire right here.
I have one more.
Oh,
But almost.
almost the last tire.
We would have. That would have been the last one, but we had no strap.
Yep, so it's got 3 new struts on it. We're gonna hurry and change the oil in it. And then Grandma's good to go. All right, so I was busy last time Grandma needed an oil change and she got it done somewhere else. They forgot their tool. It's stuck on right there. We'll show you when we take it off. That is the filter wrench for a Toyota. They got her stuck on there, couldn't get it off and left it. That's funny.
Yeah, it was time. You have a 23? I didn't know you had a 23. That must be the BMW set. They use odd numbers like that.
Do they?
Yep. So not everybody can work on them.
Stuck
Yeah, there's their tool.
That's funny.
I already moved it once. It's just stuck on from the oil.
Oh yeah.
Okay, there's the tool.
Got ourselves a new tool. Even says Toyota on it.
We'll need that put her back
Wonder if
on.
she got her done at the dealership. Oh, this will make everyone super happy right here.
Oh, hey.
That's the filter I got to go in it. Sorry, but it's what we got. Fram, baby. There's your installation tool
Hey,
back.
look at that.
Cleaned her out for you. Need a bigger ratchet, maybe?
No, I was gonna change it from the next bay.
To go
See,
on
and that right there is why they get left on there. Let's go back a little bit. Rock your tool off. All right,
Going down.
send it. Yep.
Did you use her cord that she had there?
I did.
Yeah, I might as well have that out of
We'll,
there.
we'll rotate it in if I don't know why she keeps it in there.
Dad liked to have a cord in there.
Did he?
Yeah, he's used to stuff that just
Uses oil.
used oil, so.
He's used to a small block.
Yep.
It just used oil. I never worried about it. I just added more.
I just know every 2 tanks of gas,
You put
I
some.
put 3 quarts oil in. Just start it.
Fire it.
Good to go on oil?
Yep.
All right, Grandma is handled.
Handle.
So, yeah, until we get another strut, this one's done.